So, this is the cord reel that I have. I took and used a hole saw to drill a hole through the core. Now notice it's on the opposite side of the handle. The handle broke off because I accidentally dropped the reel. I believe that's 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. You can probably get away with using a 1 inch or 1.5 inch hole saw to do this with. But yeah, so that's how this is done. I literally just took a hole saw and just hoped it would work. And it did. Anyway, I hope that explains what I did. And thanks for watching the video.